Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today what we're going to talk about is my top tools for newbie window cleaners. So if you're looking to get into the business and you're wondering what tools do I need, this is a video for you. Let's check them out. So one of the first things people always think about window cleaning is a squeegee. What's the best squeegee for me to buy that I'm gonna get the best results? But I'm a beginner, so I don't wanna mess with a lot of things that are hard. I want it to be simple. The most simple squeegee to buy, the most easy to replace the rubber with, is the Unger Nin channel and squeegee handle. This squeegee is great for beginners. Your rubber goes in so easily. You're going to use rounded rubber, which is also the most common rubber you can buy. You just pop it right in the hole right there and slide it right through, unlocking both of your sides. Just get it even. Looking at the channel, get it all even there, and then lock your sides. But this squeegee is awesome as far as just, it's never going to bend on you. It's so easy to replace the rubber, and it's just an overall great channel for a newbie. So one of the other big parts about window cleaning is, where are you going to put your water? Where are you going to put your soap, everything? My biggest suggestion is either these Pull-X buckets are great because they come in bright colors. They're really safe for commercial residential jobs, people can see them, but also Home Depot buckets are a great way to save money. You don't need to buy an expensive bucket. These aren't that expensive. They're maybe like 30 bucks with the top maybe around 35 to 40. So definitely a good suggestion. And in your solution, be simple with it. Just use Dawn soap. This is frozen, so it usually doesn't look as cloudy, but Dawn soap is so great for your solution. It's gonna be the most cost effective, and it does an awesome job. So if you need a pole and you want a good pole, the Unger OptiLock pole is an awesome pole for newbies. Why? Because it locks on. Your Unger Ninja handle will lock on to that top piece and it releases easy, and then all these pieces here easily come off, so if this stuff breaks, you can replace it all. The ones from like Home Depot, Lowe's, you usually cannot replace. So sometimes I carry a couple of these on me every day. So this is a 14 foot 3-piece Unger OptiLock pole. I suggest the 12-foot Unger OptiLock 3-section pole. That will probably give you your best bang for your buck as far as getting in small spaces and all that good stuff. So that is definitely my most highly suggested pole. So something else you're going to need though, if you use the Unger Ninja channel with the Unger Ninja's handle, is the Unger Ninja bucket on a belt. Why you're going to need this is because this is the one bucket on a belt that fits this style of channel the best. Because if you don't get this, the end clips will not fit very well. So I definitely suggest getting that. And that is going to go on your belt. Belt wise, what I use is I use a carpenter belt from Home Depot. This is going to be your, I think, the price is great. It's very comfortable, has very good padding. I have a different thing on here to hold my squeegees and stuff, but I would definitely suggest as a newbie to start with one of these and then move on once you figure out you want something different. If you want a great Tbar, I would definitely suggest the Xero Tbar with the Ettore Pro Microfiber sleeve. Why? This is going to retain the most water of any sleeve I've tried. I've tried every sleeve out there, trust me on this. Tbar, I find this one holds up the best. I've been using this one for over a year and a half and it's still great. The little bit of a rougher texture will come off the handle, but overall I like having something that doesn't lock, because you're going to find you need something to adjust to the angles for pole work, especially when you begin. You're probably going to be doing straight pulls and you really need the angle of it to get into the corners when pulling. And it's nice when you go right here, your handles comes up for you so you don't have to go all the way down to the window. And once again, I really highly suggest this guy. He's super smooth, easy on the glass. It's just so smooth. For homes, what I strongly suggest is that you get from 14 to 6-inch of Ettore brass channels. So that's these. There's a bunch of different handle configurations. There's a 6-inch. Here is the Ettore swivel. This is great for like storefronts. But the Ledge Easy one, it's super loud out here. The Ledge Easy one is the best one to have as far as for residential. Towels wise, what I would strongly suggest, and I'll put a link to these as well, is just get surgical towels. You do not need microfiber towels. These are great for detailing, just great overall. For ladders, and I have a ladder video, which I'll put right up here in the information link. Ladders, I would suggest you get a 20-foot Warner ladder and then a 3-foot step ladder. Those are going to be your most helpful ladders to get as a newbie. So I hope this has kind of helped you as a newbie kind of figure out what you need to get to kind of start out. These are very basic start out tools. And as you go and go and go, you'll learn more and more and more, and you'll figure out more what you like. So if you have any questions, comment below. All the links to all these tools are in the description. So go check them out there. And if you want to buy them, please buy them through those links. And I hope you all have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.